did a video a couple of weeks ago and someone was saying they like the recipe, but I'll give it another twist, but it's a similar recipe. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. Curly K inside of the blender. Alright, Curly K, you can get this in the local shop or supermarket to buy. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, we got some fresh basil and fresh parsley. Very good for you. And also celery. Cucumber. I'm gonna put a slice of a lemon inside of it. Same way, hold up. Some apple cider vinegar, roughly about a teaspoon. Cinnamon powder. And water. Roughly about half cups of water to free up the blender. We're going to blend this about 4 seconds. Very easy recipe. You're going to make a nice, lovely drink from it. So I need to strain it. Beautiful. So we're going to strain it. Some people drink the fiber. I don't like the fiber. Alright, now we're going to simply strain it. See that? Beautiful. Look at that. That's from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. This is just the remedy drink where everyone been searching for. We've got a lot more coming and a lot more ideas, as you can see, but this one is just a simple one. So thank you for watching, And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.